No one who's actually jacked or got jacked has ever used this in history. These tips need to stop. This is Dorian Yates using a weight belt to help stabilize himself. To be fair, this is slightly different as I'm using a band, not to pull myself into the ground, but to pull me into hip flexion, which works against the extension force from a heavy weight on pushdowns. You, sir, are no Dorian Yates. Now, this is why you can't win on social media, because one guy says exercises are only valid if someone jacked has used them, but another guy says that if you do something a jacked person is doing, it's bullshit because you are not them. I guarantee that many of you would have experienced the same issue of the abs working overtime just to hold you in place on pushdowns when you start to get strong. And that's the very specific circumstance where a band or a weight belt can help. Missing out of the abdominal gains by doing this. This is essentially the same as why we use leg pads on a lat pull down or why you might use a chest support on a row exercise. Counterforce and stability means more stimulus where you want it and less fatigue elsewhere. The irony here is that these same people would not bat an eyelid at the thought of using a machine for triceps, which does the exact